Do you want to share YouTube link in Instagram story? You can put a YouTube video on Instagram stories with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share a YouTube link in an Instagram story? First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Find the video you want to share and tap on the share button below it. From the share options, tap on copy link to copy the video URL. You can also take a screenshot to add to your story. Now, open the Instagram app and tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new story. Choose a photo, video, or your video screenshot from your gallery to use as your story. Once the content is added, tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. A new screen will appear. From here, select the link sticker. Now, paste the YouTube video link you copied earlier into the URL box. You can also add custom text for the link by tapping Customize Sticker Text. Once added, tap on Done. The YouTube link sticker will now appear on your story. You can resize it, change its style, and place it anywhere on your story. Once you're happy with the story, tap on your story to share it.